Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 40. The blessed Lord said, O Parth, neither in this world nor in the next world is there destruction for him. None, verily, who strives to be good, O my son, ever comes to grief.
Chapter 6, Shloka 40. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Parthanaiveghanamutra Vinashastasya vidyate Nahi Kalyanakrit Kaschit Durgatim Tata Gacchati.
Chapter 6, Shloka 40. Vedanta believes in the theory of reincarnation, and so every serious seeker who is working seriously for his evolvement is promised a very glorious life after death based on the intensity of the mental attitude and spiritual attitude in each of them. In the next 5 shlokas, Lord Krishna explains the path of progress of a seeker who's interrupted by death or arrested by some sensuous temptation. In the first shloka itself, Lord declares that neither in this world nor in the next world is there destruction for him who strives to be good or ever comes to grief. He considers Arjuna as his son, and so no father will ever mislead his son. Religion is a science of life, and so ever ready to explain the why and the whereof of its declarations. Since the future is but a product of the past, modified in the present, no right action in the present can bring any harm in the future. Based on this theory, Lord assures Arjuna that no seeker is lost even if he slips or falls while he is doing right action in the present. So Lord is assuring Arjuna as a father that no one can come to suffer any real fall if he is sincerely working to evolve and ascending towards the absolute perfection. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.